Rajya Sabha Chairman J.D. Dhankar constituted an all-women panel of vice chairpersons in Rajya Sabha in view of the Women's Reservation Bill. ISRO prepares to revive Chandrayaan's trees, lander and rover on moon from sleep during lunar sunrise. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has reduced the cut-off percentile for postgraduate courses, medical, dental for NEET PG Counselling 2023. Under India's G20 presidency, the 4th International Infrastructure Working Group meeting started from today at Maharaja Chhatrasal Convention Centre, Khajuraho, Madhya Pradesh. Team India entered the semi-finals of the Women's Cricket of the Asian Games 2023 after the quarter-finals match against Malaysia was called off due to rain in Hangzhou, China today.